AI agents are the next big thing. Actually, they have already arrived. And if you're still not aware of what AI agents are, you're already a step behind. Today, I'll show you how to build your own WhatsApp AI agent for free. No coding needed. AI agent is basically your 24/7 virtual assistant who can do chatting, selling, booking, all on autopilot. And yes, businesses are paying for this. So it's a good opportunity if you can master AI agents because this is the future. So without wasting any time, let's jump into my screen and I'll show you how to make a basic WhatsApp AI agent. So first we have to sign up to N8N, okay? And after sign up, we'll come to this dashboard and we have to click on create workflow. We'll create a new workflow. Then you'll come to this interface, click on add new step and we go to WhatsApp on message. Okay. So here we have to create a new credential. For that, what we'll do is we'll go to developers.facebook.com. So simply go there and sign up. After signing up, go on my apps. All right. So here are the apps which I already created before, but I'll create a new one to show you and then click on create app. Give any app name you want. I'll give WhatsApp AI agent new and put the email address and next. Here we'll choose the others option and then click on next. After that, we'll choose the business account type and next. And again, you have to click your email address and then put your password here. Here we go. All right. Okay. You're almost done. And okay, we have already created the app. Now click on WhatsApp on the right side. Just click on WhatsApp setup. And here on app settings, click on basic. Here you can see the app ID. Just copy it and paste it in your N8N client ID. Right. And again, the app secret. Copy this app secret and again paste it to client secret. Okay. After pasting it, simply click on save and then credentials successfully created. All right. Now let's go back. And after this step, we have to add AI agent. All right. So here just click on define below and just go back again. We'll do the settings later. We have to add a chat model. So we'll search OpenAI chat model. Here we'll get the credentials, free credentials at first. So it's already there. All right. So OpenAI chat model, we already connected this. Now for the output, we'll again click on WhatsApp, choose WhatsApp Business Cloud and on message, send message. Okay. So here you have to add new credentials again. And for these credentials, we'll go back to developers.facebook.com again. There, simply click on API setup and then choose any portfolio you want. Now click on continue. Right. So after this, yeah, we get here. And now you have to generate access token. So click on generate access token. Okay. So continue as saying now opt in current and future updates. Save. Got it. All right. And now copy the access token and paste it here. And then you have to put your phone number. Now copy this WhatsApp business account ID and simply paste it here and save it. All right. After this, let's go back and we'll do this later. Let's go back. Now we have to create WhatsApp trigger. Okay. So we have to execute this step. For this, we'll go to developers.facebook.com again. Okay. So here we have to send message. All right. So simply click on send message. And yes, as you can see, I have already received the message. So you'll receive the message and then you have to execute the step. When you click on execute this step, send hi to that WhatsApp message. Reply hi. Okay. So click on execute step and reply hi. All right, so I had already replied that. Let's try it again, and will take some time. Let me try again. All right, so workflow executed successfully. We have successfully created the workflow. Okay, so WhatsApp trigger done. Now back to AI agent. So here what we'll do is we'll select the text prompt, we'll drag it and drop it in the prompt. Okay, and then we'll execute the step. So yeah, not executed successfully. How I can assist you today? Okay, so now WhatsApp trigger done, AI agent done, chat model is also done. Now for the output, so here we'll select the test number, and for recipient's phone number, we'll choose here WhatsApp triggers and the WhatsApp ID. I want phone number. We'll drop it here, and for the text body, we'll select the output. All right, we'll drop the output here, and now we'll execute the step here. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, not executed successfully. All right, we are almost done with this. So what we have to do now, we have to activate this workflow. We have already created the workflow. We'll simply activate it. Got it. All right. We have already activated the workflow, and let's check it on the WhatsApp. So I will send hi again, and it already replied. So let's ask, can you plan me 7 days Kedarnath trip? Let's see how it responds. All right, it already gave a response. Okay, perfect. It's working. Amazing. So yeah, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.